When I return from which I came, supreme knowledge reigns over nearly everything. Shout out to the teacher. My patriarch argued with the preacher. Mama lashed across the face for a week, he couldn't see none. A follower, he couldn't be one. Turned his mind into a free one. Protective like bark on a tree trunk. Resilient father at 7. I was counting blessings at 11. Went to the E-man from the Reverend. I evolved from the severance. My mama's baby. Tears rolled, I had to leave her. Got old, told me it's for the best, and I believed her. My songbird battled the ailment. My father took the reins, and I learned just what a man is. Used to jot down the stanzas. Many lines, many rhymes. RBX in the whip. My first bars about committing crimes. No older than 9. What's yours is surely not mine. Curate the path for self. Along the way, I had some help. If it wasn't for you, I would have been through. Fell victim to anguish, pain like a slice from a Ginsu. Philosophize like Sun Tzu. I'm still here to tell the story. To my God be all the glory. Ignore me not, my presence undeniable. From the womb it grew valuable. You sure you know what you're doing just as sure as the sky is blue. When I look to it, I see you. Niggas ain't solid, they see through. Would never want to be you. If I'm childish, I'm Tommy Pickles, meaning I'm a leader. Hennessy by the leader. You're a one, I don't need ya, and vice versa. Touching your body like how the police search her. Which way I want you, the worst one? He building this shit from the dirt up. Yep.